सो फ्रेंड्स, बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरा मेरा ना कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ही वीक है। मैं लोगों से कम्युनिकेट करने में बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो उसके लिए कोई सॉल्यूशन है, कुछ उपाय है? तो देखो, सिंपल सी बात मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर तुम कम्युनिकेशन को बिल्ड करना चाहते हो, इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर कम्युनिकेशन, इफ़ यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद पीपल, बिकॉज़ स्पीकिंग with someone is really a big deal, and most of the people cannot do these things. So if you have courage to speak with people, please speak with them. Please speak with him or her. It could be anything, so if you want to be if you want to if you want to improve your communication, so first of all, you will have to understand, without communicating with others, without communicate with others, how you will think that your communication will improve. It seems like you will you it seems like you purchase the books or courses for learning swimming. Don't go in the water, right? So it's impossible, to you to learn the swimming without going into the water. So same as usual, if you want to communicate, if you want to improve your communication skills, so it is not the step, it is a mandatory step, and you will have to understand that if you want to communicate with a full confidence, if you want to improve your confidence level, please make sure, communicate with others, communicate with people. Then you will realize your confidence level will improve step by step, day by day. So there is a no second option to improve your communication skills. If you think that when I go to somewhere, and somebody is, and ask them, या फिर we can say communicate with them, what he can think about me, right? And something like that. So the simple things you can do: pick your phone, smartphone like this, right? And open your camera and start recording, and speak about any topic and any language, right? And record yourself. Record your videos. It's about 1 minute, 2 minute. It could be your 5 minutes also, right? And uh, after the completing recording, you will see your recording, how you talk, how you articulate, right? And where you see the mistakes, where you notice your mistakes, you will have to improve your mistakes. And this step is one of the most important step. So if you want to communicate with people with full confidence, you will have to communicate with people, you will have to, or you will have to record yourself like this, right? So uh, uh, okay, if you like the video, follow for more.